How to turn on or off profile views notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off profile views notifications on your TikTok. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app, click on it. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there once you are in your profile and click on setting and privacy. Now click on push notifications and you're gonna find profile views. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. If you turn off this option, make sure when someone view your profile, you're not gonna receive notifications on your inbox. Like this user, like you see the first notifications, I have some user who viewed my profile. If you turn off this option, you're not gonna receive this kind of notifications. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.